Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 11th tutorial in the series of tutorials on shell programming. In this tutorial we're gonna first check out the file command, and then we'll get to discuss wc command, which can be thought of as word count. Now what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use the terminal and the cat command to create a text file, and I'll call this file what should I call it? Something jazzy. Well, let me just call it jazzy then. That's lame, I know, but then I couldn't think of anything else. And I'm just gonna type in some sentences in this file, like this is the first line, and we are on line 2 now, and I don't know where this is going to go. I think I need to sleep for a few hours. So I'm just typing in trash, whatever's coming to my mind, and I'll press Ctrl D, save the file, and I'll see if my file is ready or not. It's called Jazzy with double Z, not 3 Z's. And there it is. There are how many sentences? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first sentence is, this is the first line. The second is, we are on line 2 now, with a typo, and I don't know where this is going to go. And the last sentence is, I think I need to sleep for a few hours. Now, why have I created this file? You'll understand in just a minute. Firstly, I'm gonna type in the command file, and I'll type in the asterisk character, which you can get. It's also the multiplication character. You can get it from the numpad, or you can press the shift key and then press 8 on your keyboard. And the asterisk basically represents all files in your directory. So wherever we use the asterisk, it'll stand for everything you have in that directory. So currently we're in the home folder, so the asterisk basically represents all the contents of the home folder. And when I press enter, I see that all my folders and files are being displayed in alphabetical order, and I also see that my system has displayed what each item in my folder is. So desktop is a directory, documents is a directory, and then Jazzy is the file that we've just created. It is an ASCII English text file. So file is is something that you can use instead of ls sometimes, because it gives you some information about the kind of files you have. I mean, you can also tell with ls whether you have directory files or ordinary files in your directory, but file goes one step further and tells you what kind of text file you have. If you have an ASCII text file, or if you have text file with different encoding, that's one thing, or you can think of it as an advantage. Now I'm gonna clear the screen, because we're gonna start discussing another command, which is the wc command. Now when I type in wc and then the name of my file, the one that I just created, Jazzy, and press enter, I see three things. The first column tells me the number of lines in my file, which were 4. I counted the sentences, remember. The next is the number of words, and I'll open the file for you in case you people want to check. Well, Ubuntu doesn't lie, but still, there's no harm in checking, right? So let's just count the words. I know this is going to take time, but well, so this is the first 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So there are 30 words in my file Jazzy, and there are 4 sentences, and if you would count the number of characters, then they would evaluate to 130, as my system is displaying here. You can see in the terminal, and it also tells you the name of the file. So WC is basically used to know the number of lines or sentences, and the number of words, and the number of alphabets that you have in your text file. Now if you just want to know the number of lines, suppose, then you can execute WC with the option -L, which would mean just print the lines, and type in the name of the file, Jazzy, and press enter, and you'd see 4. Likewise, if you just want to know the number of words, then type in WC-W and the name of the file, Jazzy, and you'd see 30, right? And if you want to type see the number of characters, then you can type in WC space -C. So there it is. That's our discussion on file and WC, and I hope you guys followed. In case you have doubts, you can obviously shoot in your queries in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're gonna understand the sort command probably, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.